let's take off my makeup. Okay, I already took off the lipstick. The only filter was the Span Skin and the flower over here, and the lashes is a filter, but this and the lips are not a filter. Okay, let's get started. Aalisin. Ito, nabubura. Wala na siya. Gamitin na natin ang ating kamay. Yung proof. Ginamit. Ganyan. Ginawa ko talaga. Sa lips. And sa coin. Ballpen lang ginamit ko dito. Ballpen. And markers. Yan, proof. I just ate hair, dog hair. Okay, I'm done. Yun lang. Bye. Oh, may proof May proof. Yan talaga. Ginawa ko talaga.